Once again, it's on YouTube, family. Y'all know what it is. You know what it is. It's another extended stay gourmet video with your host, Martin Crenshaw. Martin, what you doing today with them Nathan's hot dogs and them Martin's potato rolls, hot dog bun style rolls? We doing another fun food video. Y'all know I love doing these fun food videos. We're doing chili cheese dogs in the extended stay gourmet kitchen today. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. I got kind of a new twist that you all might find a new twist with my chili dogs. And in a lot of these extended stay gourmet videos, the main thing what I'm trying to do is impress upon people, especially now. Especially now. I'm not going to get all off into what's going on in our country, what's going on in the economy, because you get enough of that every day. When you watch my videos, I do want to touch on it to make, because, I'm not oblivious to what's going on in the world. But I do want to make my videos entertaining, informative, enlightening, but from the standpoint, hey y'all, we got to be a little bit more aware of food cost, stick to a budget. And in this video, you're going to see how, I don't waste anything. You all hear me say all the time, use what you got, use what you got. So that's what we're going to do in this video is we're going to use what we got to make chili cheese dogs. And you're going to see how I take something from another video, from another fun food video, and apply it to these chili cheese dogs. So let's get into it. All right, I'm going to move my buns over to the side here. And I already got my toaster oven on. What's better than Nathan's? Okay, the only thing I would say better than Nathan's is Hebrew Nationals. Leave a comment down below. Y'all know what it is. What's y'all favorite hot dog? What is your favorite hot dog? Nathan's, Hebrew Nationals. Just give me a comment. Leave it down below. Already got the oven going because this is actually going to be a quick video. This one ain't going to take too long. Go ahead and stick these in. Come on out of there. And these are the jumbo restaurant style beef franks. I'm going to put them on bake first just to get them going, and right before we're ready to plate, I'm going to put them on broil, just so they get that nice crispiness, that almost on the verge of being burnt. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You want those hot dogs to be well done, almost on the verge of being burnt. Y'all, I'm trying to do my video. Y'all, once again, I hate to do this like this in this video, but I'm doing this video and Sanaya is holding the camera, but she's trying to direct me in this video, and it throws off my flow. It throws off my flow. Now she's apologizing as she's holding the camera, but by her doing that, it throws off my flow because I'm trying to hear or understand what she's saying, but I'm also thinking myself what I'm doing. Okay, I did 3 hot dogs for a reason. Okay? Okay, so let me get back to the video. Okay, y'all? Let me get back to the video. All right. Now what I would have liked Sanaya to do as she's doing the camera is get a close-up on the hot dogs as I put them in the oven. Okay, now that's something that I would have liked for Sanaya to do. As I put the hot dogs in the toaster oven, to get a close-up, get another close-up as I put the hot dogs in the toaster oven. There we go. Okay, let's get back to the video, y'all. Let's get back to the video. I'm going to put these back in the refrigerator. And this is what you all are going to get from me. Real, in-life videos. I'm going to keep the camera rolling. I'm going to keep the camera rolling, but you're getting authentic me. This is me, okay? Now, what do we have here? We have some of the chili from the nachos. You all probably watched the nacho video. The video where I say I'm not your daddy. I'm not your daddy. But I'm gonna make some loaded nachos. This was the chili from that video. This was the refried beans that I used when I made those nachos. We're gonna use the rest of it, okay? So let me cut the stove on. We're gonna use our cast iron skillet again. And here's something else that you all can expect from my videos. Sometimes when I'm doing these extended stay gourmet videos is I'm going to be addressing comments during the video. To me, it's going to add texture. It's going to add a nice fullness to the video, and it's also going to show that I'm connecting with my audience. I'm connecting with my subscribers. I'm connecting with you. You help to support this channel. You help to build this channel. So, there was a question about this skillet that I'm going to ask. Or that I'm not going to ask. I'm going to answer. Let's see here. I got my content pulled up here. And let me see if I can find that video. I think it was this Valentine's Day breakfast video. Let me get some light on. Yep. It was this video. And the individual at Denise 10251954. She asked, nice cast iron skillet. Did it come seasoned or did you season it yourself? If you seasoned it, how did you do it? Thanks. Well, this skillet did come seasoned. It did come seasoned. But what I do on the regular, is every time I use this skillet, when I clean it, one of the first things I do is put some heat to it. Put some heat to it to allow to make sure all the water is off of this skillet. And then the next thing I do is I take a little bit of oil and put in there and use a paper towel. I'll use a paper towel, a little piece of a paper towel, and just kind of put in the skillet just to coat the skillet. So right now, just as you see right now, before I use the skillet, there's a coating of oil in that skillet. So thank you for your question about my utensils and what I do here. You all keep the comments coming. Keep the comments coming. It helps me to come up with things to talk about, topics to talk about. And as you can see right now, I'm doing more engagement with you. So we got the skillet going, and I'm gonna go ahead, and this was Hormel no bean chili. That's what this was here. Once again, wooden utensils. I didn't have wooden utensils when I first started doing extended stay gourmet videos, but I have wooden utensils now because of you. And like I said, you all, this video isn't going to be long. This isn't going to take long, because really all I have to do is heat up this chili. And what I'm trying to do is time the chili, and we're going to have French fries too. We're going to have chili cheese dogs and French fries. I already got my oil heating up, but by the time the French fries and the chili is done, the hot dog should be done. Okay, so put a little bit more water. I'm going to add refries to the chili. Once again, just like when I made the nachos, I'm using no bean chili, but I'm going to add the beans, and just a small amount of beans. To this chili, just to give it some thickness, just to give it some texture. I'm going to add some flavor. Flavor/seasoning. That's what I really meant to say. Add a little onion powder. And adobo. And you all know I use this all the time. This is basically garlic powder and pepper. But I think it adds great flavor and seasonings to most of my dishes. I'm going to turn that down a little bit. Check my hot dogs. Okay. They're starting to get some color to them. They're starting to get a little color, as you can see. Need to grab my tongs and just kind of flip them a little bit. But they're already starting to have some color to them. And like I said, I'm trying to time everything, that by the time the French fries and the chili is done, the hot dog should be done. And just put the rest of these refries up. And this is the same thing I did. This is the cheese part of the chili cheese. Everything's in the sauce. Everything's in the chili sauce. Okay, I'm going to address something else. I'm going to address something else. Somebody in the comments said, you know, you say everything twice. You say everything twice, like I just did. And sometimes I'm trying to think as I'm working, as I'm cooking and speaking to the camera. Sometimes my mind isn't moving as fast as my mouth is. So sometimes I will repeat myself. That's okay, y'all, right? That's okay. All right, take a look at this cheese sauce. That's beautiful. Let me get a taste. The individual who made the comment went on to say, "Are you slow?" Come on now. You ain't got to be mean with it. You ain't got to be mean with it. He actually, I guess it was a guy, asked me, "Are you slow?" No, I'm not slow. I'm making videos. What are you doing? That's the question. I'm making videos. I'm living my life, doing my thing, making chili cheese dogs for my subscribers, for my audience that are enjoying what I'm doing. Every now and then, I might say the same thing twice. What are you doing? Are you slow? The nerve of some people, right? The nerve of some people. But see, they do that in the comments. See, you wouldn't do that to somebody in person. That's gonna go great on those Nathan hot dogs. This cheese sauce is done. I mean, I'm sorry, the chili cheese sauce is done. That is excellent. All it probably needs is a little bit of pepper. All it needs is a little bit of pepper. And I'll turn that off. Okay. I think I got time to answer another comment. Now, this individual seems to be new. I've just noticed this individual. Let's go back to the. I think I just found a new fan. In the comments. Gerda Gastro World at Gerda Gastro World. I like the Lidl brand tortilla chips for nachos because they're not too salty. Okay, all right, great. I mean, being that I have a Lidl's grocery store, like literally right next door. If you watch my videos, you know I go to Lidl's almost every day. A lot of the products that I do use are Lidl's brand products. I mean, we're just about out of those tortilla chips. Speaking of that, you know, the chili cheese sauce I just made would go great with a tortilla chip. Now look here, as an appetizer, we're just about out of these, but as an appetizer for the chili cheese dogs. I get what you're saying, bro. I guess it's a guy. Gerda's Gastro World. He says he finds that the Lidl's chips, and this is the restaurant style. I can dig it. Now, a little bit less salt. We're going to go back to the computer. I agree with you. But also, let me give a shout out to this. Because I noticed many of her comments. Deanna Lang 3446. She says, I love Spanish cuisine too. Looks yummy. Have you ever been to La Perilla restaurant on Power Plant? I haven't been yet. Okay, great. At Deanna Lang 3446. I don't necessarily know about Spanish food per se. I do like Mexican food, so I don't know if those are necessarily the same. Hey, leave a comment down below, you all. You know, Spanish food is different from Mexican food, right? Okay, leave a comment down below. Let me know. But she asked about La Perilla. I imagine she might live in the Hampton Roads area also, maybe right here in Hampton, because La Perilla is literally right across the street from where I live. Like, you know, I did a video of me walking across the street to a Miller Mart, which is a gas station, but they also have a Dunkin' Donuts. You know, you all might have seen the video where I did for my Sunday morning moments, where I went over to the Miller's Mart to get a coffee roll to go with my coffee. And I got it from the Dunkin' Donuts. And right behind, you know, to answer that question, right behind that Miller's Mart, where the Dunkin' Donuts is La Perilla, which is a Mexican restaurant. The Mexican food there is spectacular. Spectacular. I was craving. They have this quesadilla. I can't think of the name of it. They have this shrimp quesadilla. If you like shrimp, if you like seafood, oh, it is amazing. I was craving it just the other day, but I'm kind of on a budget now because we got another Vegas trip coming up, and when I got Vegas trips coming up, I'm real tight with my money. We'll get into that into another video or another comment. But I just want to address that comment by Deanna. But also, let's get one more comment. I'm going to go back to Gerda, because he commented on the beef ribs video. Where's the beef? This was the one where I did those slow cooked beef ribs in the crock pot. And there's his comment right there. Man, what you know about some Sweet Baby Ray's? That's my go-to. And Kraft Honey Hickory comes second. Because see, in that video, I made some beef ribs in the crock pot. And the ribs were actually good enough where I didn't even need sauce on those ribs. But yes, absolutely. And I went with just the original brand of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Absolutely, bruh. You all see up here is where I keep a lot of my sauces and condiments, right above the microwave. here in the extended stay gourmet kitchen. The other thing with these videos, as I'm doing these videos, I'm also showing you all what this room looks like. You all are getting to see through me cooking, through me, showing different aspects of my room through my videos. You all are getting to see, hey, this is what the refrigerator looks like. This is what the refrigerator looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the French fries. I mean, it's a full size refrigerator with a freezer. And a refrigerator. Now you all are saying you need to clean that refrigerator out. Yeah, I'm gonna get to that. I'm gonna get to that this week. But those are aspects of these videos that I'm trying to show you all. So it's not gonna always be just me cooking. I'm trying to really incorporate a lot of things to keep you all engaged, to keep you all informed and enlightened, whether I'm doing just a Sunday morning moment or whether I'm doing a pros and cons of living in an extended stay hotel, or even the extended stay gourmet videos. I'm trying to show a lot with each video. Is that okay? Are you all with me on that? I believe you all are. I believe you all are. What I'm doing here is just getting the paper towel prepared for the French fries, because these aren't going to take long either. And Lidl's brand French fries, they're good. They're good. I do prefer Ore-Ida. I think Ore-Ida is the best. But these Lidl's brand French fries, they aren't that bad. I usually like to put one in just to kind of see what we got going on with the oil. Perfect, perfect. Sometimes you put your oil on and everything just kind of explodes when you put the French fries in. But that right there is perfect. Boom. Okay, I'm going to put the French fries back up. Just going to kind of break up the French fries a little bit. And you all know, once your French fries start floating, they're pretty much they're ready to go. Okay, let's check our hot dogs. See, look at them. Look at them. They got some color to them. They got some color to them. They're just about ready. And like I said, just before we're about to plate, I'm going to put these on broil because I want them just on the edge of burnt. So I'm going to put that on broil. Now the toaster oven is on broil. So we're about to plate. French fries are just about golden brown. Just about golden brown. get my condiments. We're going to go with some mustard. Mustard! So now you're looking at me like, what's that all about? Y'all know what that is. Y'all, you know, I guess it's a DJ named Mustard. It's a DJ named Mustard, and there's just like this popular thing. Kendrick Lamar, I think he did something with it, but now I believe it was French's Mustard jumped on it, and they're doing a mustard. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Okay, so my French fries are starting to float. Perfect. Perfect French fries. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. My chili cheese sauce. Give that a stir. And put the French fries over a paper towel so the excess oil can drain onto the paper towel. Yeah, like I was saying, you all, when I was just answering or addressing some of the comments, we got 2 more Vegas trips coming up. We have a trip coming the end of March, which I'll be doing a video about that trip. And you all have the opportunity to sponsor the videos from that trip. And the way you'll be able to sponsor those videos is by buying a certificate, a sponsorship certificate on my eBay page. So stay tuned for that. But I really think this is a way, just like I was just doing some of the shout outs in this video, you know, everybody wants to feel appreciated. Everybody wants to feel like they're a part of something. And you all are a part of my YouTube channel. Just as I'm growing, I mean, we've only been doing this for about 2 months, you know, and I don't see myself stopping, you know, no time soon. You know, I plan on going all the way till the end of the year with these daily videos, daily posting videos to add some entertainment, some, you know, inspiration, whatever you're getting from my videos. That's what I intend to deliver. But you all will have an opportunity. See, look at the hot dogs in there dancing. They're in there dancing now. They're in there dancing and they're starting to pucker. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Like I said, right on the edge. I'm going to give you all an opportunity to support the channel by sponsoring the Vegas videos. So, for example, when I do a video of the fountains at the Bellagio, you'll get a shout out. You'll be able to get a shout out for your channel, for you in person, if you know, if you got videos or not, but I will shout you out in front of the fountains at Bellagio. You know, so you'll be able to purchase a sponsorship certificate on my eBay page. And when you do that, I'll be doing videos in front of the Bellagio fountains. I'm going to be doing videos in front of the Sphere. So a lot of the iconic Vegas sightings and what's the word I'm looking for? Iconic Vegas locations. That wasn't the word I was looking for. I wasn't looking for the word location. The iconic sights and scenes, you will be able to get a shout out. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to be coming up with more information about that in more videos. Okay, our hot dogs, that's it, y'all. You look at them, you see them? You see them? They got a nice tan. That's the way I like to see my hot dogs, with a nice tan, nice golden tan. So let's get to it. Let's get ready to start plating. We got our Martins. Y'all know these my folks, right? Y'all know these my folks. We go way back. Martins, potato rolls. I mean, these, to me, these are the best. These are the best. And it's not just because they have my name. I just think they are the best. Good quality hot dog buns, hamburger buns, bread. And I'm actually going to put a little heat on them. Put them in the microwave for about 12 seconds, just to put a little heat on them. A little salt and pepper on the French fries. And that, you know, heating up the buns, it's kind of, you all know, it just makes them a little bit softer. Go ahead and turn off my toaster oven. Fun food, y'all, fun food. Look at there. Look at there. It's about to pop. You hear them? You hear them? Listen to them. That's what you want. They in there singing. They in there singing. Them hot dogs is in there chirping. Just like the birds on my computer, my bird sound. They in there chirping. Boom. There's our hot dogs. We're going to put on our chili cheese sauce. Come on. I'll put more on that one than I wanted to. But here's the thing, you all. You got the chili and the cheese mixed together. And that's that Hormel chili mixed with some refried beans. Like I said, to add some texture. And it's the same that we used on the nachos. So also with this video, I'm showing how to use everything that you have. Don't let nothing go to waste, because we can't be wasting anything right now. I already got some chopped onions, and this is just the way I like my chili cheese dogs. How do you like your chili cheese dogs? Do you even like chili on your dogs? Tell me how you like your hot dogs. Leave it down below. Leave a comment down below. With me, when it comes to chili cheese dogs, it's chili, cheese, and mustard. Hold up, we ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. chili, cheese, and mustard. Some hot, crispy French fries. I'm gonna put a little side of chili cheese for dipping the French fries in. Y'all know what we do. Y'all know what we do over here. Hold up. Hold up. And on the side, Heinz ketchup. What else? Heinz ketchup. Except no substitute. Okay. That's a nice nice plate there, right? We ain't done. We ain't done. This is fun food. We ain't done. just when you thought it was over. Just when you thought it was over. You need something to wash all of that deliciousness down. Right? All that fun food. You need something to wash it down. A nice cold Stella Artois. It's complete now. Another fun food video. Let's get into it. Oh, I need a napkin. I know I need a napkin. You cannot beat a well-roasted Nathan's hot dog on a soft, warm potato roll. Hot dog bun with some crispy French fries dipped in Heinz ketchup. Let me get another bite of that. Amazing. Wash it down. With some ice cold Stella. Get some more French fries. Now, that's the only hot dog I'm gonna eat. This is all I'm gonna eat. That's for Sanaya. That's for Sanaya. Come on, look at the. This is Sanaya's plate right here. This is all I'm gonna eat, y'all. I do this for the videos. So if you like this video, press like. If you have a question or a positive or constructive comment, leave it down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. And thank you all for supporting the channel. Until the next extended stay gourmet video, be blessed and be a blessing.